So over here you can see that I am in Google Tasks, and then you can see that I got different tasks listed out right here. Let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and then check off these tasks right here. For example, you can see there's buy groceries, and let's say I have done that. So I can simply click right here and it's marked as completed right here, and it crossed off as you can see. I can go around over here and do the same right here for multiple tasks right here, and they simply get moved on to completed. Here you can see that I get the completed section right here that I can go ahead and expand out right here just like this as I want. And let's say I didn't intend to actually go ahead and mark them out as complete. In that case, you can go ahead and untick them out as well by clicking on them, and they get moved to the main task section right here. So you can go ahead and untick this out right here, and this is what you have. So that is basically how you can go ahead and mark out the tasks as complete inside of Google Tasks. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe